3, 2, 1, video below.
Hi, Stephanie Gardner here. So I decided to order a DNA ancestry kit from 23andMe. I was inspired after visiting my Aunt Audrey in my hometown of Emmaus, Pennsylvania, and she had just done an ancestry kit. And we were always told we were largely German. And she told me this story when she was a teenager, young 19, 20-year-old, and she went on her first trip to Europe. She visited Germany and felt like she was gonna have a profound experience with Germany because she was German heritage. And she said she really didn't enjoy her time in Germany. Yeah, it was fine, but she didn't, feel this deep connection with the people, the land, or the place. She actually much preferred Denmark, and she just had this really profound feeling and connection to the Danish people and the landscape and the place. And now, 50 years later, she's done her ancestry and she learned that she's more Scandinavian than she is German. So this incident has inspired me to kind of learn more about my heritage, because I'm guessing I might have some Scandinavian in me too, which I think would be super cool. I've always liked the culture and the society and the people I've met from Scandinavia. I haven't been there yet, so we're strongly considering going to Scandinavia for 33andMe. And so yeah, I ordered the kit online. I just have to wait for it to come in the mail, and I can't wait for it to come and see what's here deep inside me. I can't wait. I want to talk about this painting that I'm sitting with. It is a painting I picked up in Bali, Indonesia, probably 8 years ago now. And I was studying at the Tisch School of the Arts in Asia. NYU set up a satellite program in Asia. And I got the opportunity to travel Southeast Asia a lot. And I went to Indonesia and to Bali. And Bali is a nation of painters. And I was taken around on a moped by a local Bali guy, and he took me to a big gallery, and I thought, oh no, there's no way a grad student, traveling on a shoestring budget is gonna buy a painting. And this piece took me in, and I got so swept up in it and so mesmerized that I had to have it. And I negotiated down with the artist, and he sold it to me. And I have carried this piece with me all over the world. Every time I move somewhere, I find a way to pack it up and bring it with me, and it's a major part of my life, so I wanted to share that with you today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, tell your friends if this interests you, this 33andMe journey we're gonna go on starting in November. And we wanna just keep you posted with updates. Comment, give us suggestions, ideas, and thanks for joining in. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna try and maybe watch some films and talk about some films from different countries I'm considering traveling to and share that with you. So thanks again, like, comment, share, and all that jazz. See you next time. Peace.